right, hi there second grade. In the first video that you watched for lesson 120-1A, I had you watch that video because I thought it showed a great way to make groups and to divide a set of objects into equal groups. She also got you started with sections 1 and 3 on the video. So let's just go back through real quick and just double check our answers. Anything times 0 is of course 0. Anything times 1 is that number itself. If we have 2 groups of 3, we've got 6. 3 groups of 3 is 9. 4 times 3, or 4 groups of 3, is 12. And like she said in the video, you may have noticed we are skip counting by 3s. 5 groups of 3 is 15. 6 groups of 3 is 18. 7 groups of 3 is 21. 8 groups of 3 is 24. And 9 groups of 3 is 27. Then she went on to show you some missing factors. So she said, oh, think about what or how many groups of 3 you would need to make 6. And if you look up here, it was 2 groups of 3 that make 6. How many groups of 3 equals 21? If you look up here, 7 groups of 3 equals 21. How many groups of 3 make 3? Again, just 1. Any number times 1 is that number. How many groups of 3 equals 27? The answer was 9. And how many groups of 3 equals 12? That would be 4. Okay, I thought real quick before we use our color tiles and give you a chance to make some groups that we would sing through our 3 song. It's been a while, so are you ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27 isn't counting fun. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. 10 times 3 equals 30, and we're done. Okay, now we're going to get a chance. We're going to work on this side of the worksheet together, and the reason I wanted you to get your color tiles is we are going to make some of our own equal groups and match the problems to the answers. So the first one tells us we need 3 groups of 3. So you're going to take your counters, 1, 2, 3. That's 1 group of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 groups of 3. And 1, 2, 3. There I have 3 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to draw a line from 3 times 3 to 9. Okay, stay with me. 9 groups of 3. All right, are you ready? 1 group of 3. Do this at home with me. 2 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3. 4 groups of 3. 5 groups of 3. 6 groups of 3. 7 groups of 3. Uh-oh, I might not have enough. 8 groups of 3. I'm gonna have to ad-lib here. 1. Let me open up my drawer here. 2 paper clips. And I have 9 groups of 3. So help me count. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. So 9 groups of 3 is 27. 6 groups of 3. All right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Let's slide these over. And let's count. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh, so 6 times 3 is 18. 0 groups of 3. What do I have? Nothing here, right? So I have 0. 4 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. See how our songs and our chants come in handy for things like this? All right, let's see how we can do that, what that looks like. 8 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And okay. And anything times 1 is that number itself. Okay, I can look at this and say I have 5 groups of 3, which means I'm going to skip count by 3s 5 times. Or, because of our commutative property of multiplication, I could look at this as 5 times 3, and I can skip count by 5s 3 times. 5, 10, 15. I know I'm supposed to be teaching you by 3s, but or we can do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Look, see? Same answer. 7 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And 2 times 3. Again, I can think of this as 2, 4, 6, and I still get the same answer as if I would skip count by 3s 2 times. 3, 6. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to turn your paper over. I'm going to leave mine up, but I want you to turn your paper over to the back side of the sheet, and I want you to fill in your bingo board with factors. That's the answer in, those are the numbers in multiplication. And you're going to fill it in with the product. Okay, the product's the answer. So you're just going to write 15, 9, 27, 3, 0, wherever you want on your bingo board. So take a few minutes. You can look off of my answers here. Okay, and right, so I'm going to start off with 27. Boom, right in the middle. 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27 isn't counting fun. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27, 30, and we're done. Okay, now I'm going to give you a multiplication fact. You're going to cross off your answers on the bingo chart. Okay, so it's going to be 10 problems and only 3, 6, 9 squares. See, group of 3, group of 3, group of 3. And we will then see if you can get a bingo, all right, before I do. Okay, so I'm going to do first card, 3 times 2, which is 6. And 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 9, 27. I got bingo. I got 3 in a row. All right. Here's what I'm going to have you do today. I'm going to have you do this problem solving worksheet. It's skip counting by 3s. It's working with our 3s. At the store, he can buy a pencil. Nicholas can buy a pencil for 3 cents. He can buy 1 pencil. He has 22 cents to spend at the store. So we know he can buy 1 pencil for 3 cents, but he has 22 cents he wants to spend. So we're going to show how many he can buy with his money. All right, so you're going to draw me a picture or show me your work, and then tell me how many pencils Nicholas can buy with his money. On the back side, it's the same thing. It's another graph. What I'd like you to do is try this one on your own and answer the questions. And then I'm going to have Mom take a picture of both sides and send that to me for today. And that is all I need you to do. Aside from, if you finish math early, one of the things you could be going back and doing is practicing your multiplication facts for 2s and 3s and 5s. That's a great way to fill in some extra time for math if you're finding that you're finishing too early. I sent home fact cards. They were cardboard fact cards that you can work at home, and you can punch those out and work on those. Have a great day.